Hi, I'm Caleb Moodis-Paul of the Highland County District Library, here to talk to you today about curbside pickup. As we slowly transition out of quarantine, we want you to know that we are here for you and we're excited to serve you in this capacity. There are multiple ways that you can order books through the Highland County District Library for curbside pickup. One being through our online database on the website, two being through the SEO Library app, or three by giving your branch a call and ordering it from them directly. During curbside service, each branch will have their own specialized hours, which you can find either on the website or on their Facebook page. You can also find the branch's hours of operations at the end of this video and in the description below. It's important to remember that during curbside service, patrons will not be allowed access inside of the library. All returned books are to be placed inside of the book drop outside of the library. It's important to know that each item will be quarantined before being sanitized and checked back in, so those returned items will still remain active on a patron's account several days after being returned. If you want to check items out, you have three options that you can use now. One being the SEO Libraries app, which you can download onto your smartphone. The other being the library's website, and the third one being calling in your branch. If you're calling in the library to order your books, you're going to need your date of birth and to verify your phone number, card number, or address. All items checked out will be on the account that placed the hold, so no physical card will be necessary. When you reach the parking lot, remain in your car. Call the library and a staff member will walk the items out. They'll place the items on the ground beside your vehicle or in the trunk of your vehicle. At this time, the Highland County District Library is not receiving shipment, so you will only be able to place orders on items within the Highland County District Libraries. If you place a hold for an item that is at another Highland County branch, you can either opt to go to that branch and pick it up or wait for it to be delivered to your branch. Wait times for some items may vary depending on where they're coming from. Some might be transferred within a day, others may be as long as several days to a week. So that's how it works. The Highland County District Library, we're excited to serve you in this capacity, and we look forward to serving you later on in the future. But until then, curbside pickup is a wonderful option to get your favorite books and movies today. Thanks.